Okay, so we're up at the top of Sao Paulo ruins, and basically what we're going to be doing is walking down. So we got a fortress up there. You can kind of see some of the wall up there, and then you can see Grand Lisboa that way, and we're going to basically just go directly down those stairs like that, and we're basically at the base. So let's check it all out. You ready? Whoa! Whoa! Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. The boy is really liking it a lot. Giant pillars, fortress that way, and this goes right up into that. It's closed right now at nighttime, of course. Very nice. So one of the things that you'll see right away is as we take the camera down, you'll see lots of people with cameras. So everybody's kind of catching the Sao Paulo ruins, which is one of the big tourist sites. So we're gonna walk all the way down, and we'll just kind of capture everything along the way as well. So we also kind of got these side stuff, the walls. The taxi just went down that way. So it's actually a Wednesday night. It's about maybe 9:30 in the evening. I got the boy with me. He's having a great time. Yeah. Yeah. He likes to do that. He likes to come up in front, and then we do that. He's autistic, so he has his things that he likes to do. That's one of them. Give me 5. Yeah. Beef. Beef au Paulo? No, we just had dinner. So we just ate, but he likes this beef au Paulo. It's like beef intestines. It's in all the tourist areas. So he really likes that a lot. But I'm not gonna buy another dinner for him. We just had dinner. Just had beef and rice. Stay here. Oh, yeah, we're not gonna go eat. But so that's beef au Paulo. So basically that's something that, it's like beef intestines. This one is also beef intestines too. So they're both, so it kind of looks like that. But I'm not gonna eat it though. And then that one is a pork chop bun on the side, so we're gonna walk towards that as well. So, okay, so we basically have all these vendors on this side. We have Uniqlo on that side, and then we have Sao Paulo ruins on that side. So this is kind of the main tourist spot, and everything kind of comes along down this way. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of meander down that way, and we'll just kind of see what we can all see. So lots of people hang out here. Let me just kind of take a look here. So it's gonna meander down a little bit. We also got that famous statue over there on that side. So that one right there, and then we got Uniqlo, and then we got this one, the site of Sao Paulo ruins. And lots of people kind of hang out on the sides here too, so it's kind of a cool spot, and you can actually, all the restaurants are on that other side of the wall. So let's go down. So we'll see what we can see coming down this way. And you'll see lots of like tourist stuff, so souvenirs. Macau's #1 selling souvenir shop, but actually they're all kind of marketing, right? So they all kind of sell the same things. This one looks kind of cool though. There's a bunch of kind of relic stuff and some detail. Okay. So we are gonna meander downhill, and I think we're gonna catch people going uphill.
So I'm
kind of dealing with sometimes I get sidetracked because I got my boy's autistic, so he's got my eyes. I have to push it away a little bit. Okay, so we're heading on down the way, and we got a lot of people coming up this way. We got tourist stuff to the side. We got more tourist stuff on that side, and that stuff is actually free. You can actually buy it, or you can actually sample it. This one is always popular, so I think that they do some good promotion somehow, always bringing people to it, because that one's always kind of busy. I think you can also step outside a little bit, where this one, you know, you kind of can get it and move on quick, where the other ones you're kind of enjoy it a little bit because you can get out of the way. Anyways, we're heading down. And we're basically heading, I think we're going to head all the way to Senado Square. You see more tourist stuff to the left. And so yeah, this is pedestrian street. You can walk everywhere in here. So lots of people taking photos everywhere. Especially at the Sao Paulo ruins, but this is pretty photogenic in here too, of course. Let me just kind of turn around real quick. You can see Lisboa up in the lights, and through the sliver you can sometimes see it, but I'd have to maneuver a little bit. I think it's better just to keep on walking. So okay, so we're gonna walk down our pedestrian street a little ways. Might even go to Senado Square potentially. I know people like to see it. And this is what it looks like at nighttime on a Wednesday night, about 8 p.m., 9 p.m., something like that. So, say hi to this guy real quick. Say. Okay, so you got some, I think this is looks new, the way they have the trays everywhere. Keep on walking down. That has really good dumplings in that alley right there. I usually go down there and film quite a bit, but I'm not going to right now though. And we're on Macau Street, which is right there. And we are going to go around the corner. That goes to the Portuguese Embassy. That goes to Sé Cathedral. And this goes to São Domingos and Senado Square. So we're going to take it down that way. I think this is kind of the most popular route for, like, the beauty of it is great. So we're going to take it. There's St. Dominic's right there. Okay. And I think we're gonna see if they got music going. So before they had music at nighttime, but I don't know if it changes. So they had it a lot during COVID. They kind of brought it out, and it was really amazing for us because there wasn't hardly anybody around. But then we had a nice venue to go to out in public, and I think it was kind of popular. So I think that I think they might, but I don't know if it's popular, and I don't know if they only have it on the weekends or other days too, but it's directly down that way. Okay, so we are going to walk directly to that spot. Then we're going to end it at Senado Square. So, okay. I think I hear some faint music, but I don't know if it's, I think it's I think it's from one of the stores though. But anyways, this is Senado Square. We're gonna go right up to the fountain. Looks like they got the fountain going again. They had a bunch of holiday stuff there for a while. So the holiday stuff was and we got this. This is like a little cafe that you can buy some wine and drinks and stuff like that. So we're gonna go, hello. And we're gonna go all the way to the fountain up here. Friendly people. Look like there might be Vietnamese, but I don't know. I don't know why I think that, but anyways, here we are up at the fountain. And just kind of give you a little, it's Grand Lisboa Casino, and there's a couple casinos down that way. Down there, this is on Malo as well, and that's kind of like a popular street that goes down to some other historical Macau stuff. And then of course you got your beautiful buildings all the way around. So let me just kind of take those all in. Okay. And that'll be the end of our video. So hope you like that one. Beautiful Macau. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.